Before we get into this morning's update, I'd first like to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Make sure you're positive today. Use that positive mindset instead of negativity. Make sure you appreciate the reason why you're here and understand what the 4th of July actually means. So, first thing we're going to look at here, because I need to go up to into town because they're going to do the parade, 4th of July parade here starting up shortly. But I wanted to do this update first. So with XRP, we're sitting at the 0.489 level. I came out with an update last night. It's got about 600 views, so some of you have seen it. And it shows XRP, the top of this pattern formation on this bull flag is up at the 558 level. So that constitutes roughly a 15% push up from where we're at. Now, we can invalidate this pattern if we lose the 0.457 level. So just remember that. This move would be invalidated if we're below the 457 level and get that rejection. Other than that, we should move up to the 558 level. That's the top of this formation. I'm going to break it down for everybody. I've simplified the chart a lot from yesterday so that it's a lot easier to see. If you've seen the update last night, you'll understand what I'm saying. We'll also talk about how XRP extended its winning streak and eyes that 50 cent psychological level to try to push even higher. We break over that 50 cents, we'll be on our way up to that 558. It's top of the formation, or top of the pattern formation. And then we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's sitting around 31,000. It still looks really bullish to me. We broke from the 30,000 level. Now we broke above 31,500. Came back to retest the 31,000 and have been consolidating very nicely. The push out of here would be 35,040 on the technical target. Make sure you hit that like button. If you appreciate what I do, hit that subscribe button and consider joining Tom's Army on this fine 4th of July. Stay blessed, everybody, and I'll see you on the other side of the intro. Positivity over negativity. We are winners here, ladies and gentlemen. We're winners. Good morning, 8:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Tuesday, July 4th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I want to start out with this real quickly before we go on the charts. XRP sustains winning streak, eyes 50 cents on increased volatility. So XRP has sustained its winning streak for the month of July as it looks to reclaim the 50 cent price point on the back of rapid surge in price volatility. XRP closed June on a bearish note, having shut off 8.46% of its value. The asset ended June below the 50 cent psychological price threshold, dropping to 47 cents. However, a bullish start to July sees XRP seeking to reclaim 50 cents as price volatility spikes. June was littered with SEC versus Ripple lawsuit updates, triggering occasional shifts in market sentiments. As a result, XRP faced a series of price fluctuations, leading to a low of 4493 and a high of 5658. With investors anticipating a favorable ruling on the SEC lawsuit in the foreseeable future, XRP has leveraged a renewal of investor optimism to pick up some of the previous month's losses. This has resulted in 3 consecutive intraday winning sessions in July. So XRP eyes 50 cents on volatility rise. So we're going to finish reading this, but first I want to go into the XRP chart as it sits at 4898. I've simplified the chart for everybody yesterday. This is the pattern formation from September of 2021, the downtrending resistance. We've got uptrending support we could have went a little bit farther back, but I decided to use here after the big rejection. Then I came down to the support where we started creating the uptrend. So this started back on June of this year. And then now we've created the short-term bull flag or uptrending support that we could talk about, ascending triangle. And now our job is to try to push back up to the 558 level. It's approximately. And our first layer right now, we're in the 4-hour time frame. We're trying to hold this support as we have a bullish cross in the 4-hourly. We're above the 200-day now. Now we're trying to hold and confirm this support. In the 3-hourly, we're almost up to a golden cross. 2-hourly, we've now confirmed the golden cross. And you can see how we're holding the support. This is an ultra bullish setup right now, ladies and gentlemen. This is an ultra bullish setup. Unless we were to lose that area right here at 457. That's a bullish formation in the 2-hourly. We have a golden cross confirmed. We've hit that support perfectly now. That's an absolutely perfect hit of support if we push up. So what I'm targeting is that 558 level, and that would be about a 15% rise. So we've had a perfect W reversal on the uptrend. We have an inverted head and shoulders pattern formed. And now the question is can we come back up to the double top at not just the 585 level? That is a pattern double top, ironically. But if we break past 558, we need to get past 585, which would be around that double top. And then ultimately the technical target would be around 65 cents if we could break out of this formation. But that's on a break up. On a breakdown, you could very easily find yourself, you break this uptrend, and we talked about the 15% rise over the top. So yesterday was about, I'll just do it from here. The rise over the top, even from where it's at now, is 14.5%. Now, the opposite side of this is, let's just say we did fall bearish. We break down this 457, and then we break down. So it's a 17.5% drop, even farther, because it's going to come down to around 36 cents. But 17.7% to the uptrend just started in the beginning of June, or the uptrend from earlier this year. So that's a big dump if we were to break down. So just watch that formation setup. It makes it nice and easy. There's not as much to guess on. So that's how it's looking. And now Bitcoin, before we finish off what we have in the article. Bitcoin, very simplified as well. Bitcoin broke out of the channel. It was in a descending triangle on the bottom side of the pattern. Here, let me grab my drawing tool. So Bitcoin right here, we formed a descending triangle, downtrending resistance, downtrending support, broke out of it, broke back above the channel. We had a CME gap at 30,000 that we've covered. Now we created this bull flag formation, uptrending support, downtrending resistance. It's tightening up. And now we're looking for a breakout. A hold at 31,000 is the first step. And then we push out of here. The technical target, if you push out of here on the cup and handle, if it's a bullish handle here on the cup, above the CME gap, holding the 31,000 support and breaking out of this, we can call it a ascending triangle or a bull flag setup. The technical target here is 35,054. If we were to break down, let's say we lose 30,000 and fall back through the channel, the technical target on a breakdown is 25,194. But right now it has all the makings of a bullish setup. So it would have to break down for me to lose that bullish mindset. So pay attention to that, as we're looking a little bit more bullish than bearish this morning. But I've shown you the levels. So if we break down the levels, obviously it flips bearish. But right now, on the here and now and 4th of July, we're looking bullish. XRP eyes 50 cents as the volatility rises. Capitalizing on the modest run, XRP aims to reclaim 50 cents and flip the territory into a launch pad for further gains. Amid this sense of ambition, the asset soared to a weekly high of 4961 on July 2nd. However, the bears battled against further gains, leading to a decline from the lofty position. Despite the price drop, XRP closed July 2nd with a 2.39% increase. This marked its highest intraday gain in over 3 weeks. Notably, the XRP decline in late June coincided with a sharp decrease in volatility. However, volatility has picked up amid the recovery campaign. Volatility can significantly impact the price of XRP due to its effects on market dynamics. When XRP experiences higher levels of volatility, it tends to attract speculative traders and investors looking to capitalize on short-term price movements. Increased volatility creates trading opportunities as price fluctuations become more pronounced, and we already know this. And then the last thing, despite the winning streak, XRP's current price position suggests mixed sentiments in the market. Notably, XRP retested 200-day EMA at 4567 on June 30th. A successful bounce off this significant level of support indicates strong buying interest and investor confidence. Currently trading at 4886, XRP has continued to remain above the 200-day EMA, suggesting that the market sentiment remains bullish, with potential support for upward price momentum. Though XRP currently stands above the 50-day EMA at 4855, the gap is currently narrowing. This signals a potential convergence between short-term and long-term price trends. It indicates that bullish momentum may be dropping and the price could be approaching a period of consolidation or a possible reversal. If you appreciate what I do, if you enjoy my work, or you just enjoyed this update, make sure you hit that like button, consider hitting that subscribe button. Look in the video description below and/or pinned comment for my mission statement, why it's so important for you to join Tom's Army. And then if you're looking to trade XRP in the USA, your favorite crypto, FEMX on the video description below and/or pinned comments. You don't need to do a KYC even in the USA. 100x futures leverage long or short in the market, and they have very, very low spot fees. Make sure you enjoy this 4th of July. I appreciate each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart, and I appreciate being here with all my friends.